Alright guys, we are back to back again with another video. You see, so what we are learning today is basic algebra. Okay, basics. Okay, last time we look at simple algebra like s plus 2 is equal to 4. By now you should know how to solve an algebra equation like this. Okay, we also came up with now we went in with a complicated one, 2s plus 2 is equal to 4, and you know what to do. Here you just subtract 2 from each side. Here you subtract 2, and after that you divide by 2. You see? Now, what if we have something like this? 7 over 3 s is equal to, this is 7. Alright? Now, we have a problem. This boy over here is a big problem. Okay, now remember that this is 7 divided by 3. So when you are dividing something, the first thing that should come into your mind is that when you are dividing, the opposite of division, like we learned from the beginning, was multiplication. So what if I decide to multiply this by 3 so that I can remove what is here? Okay, that's my idea. Then if I do whatever you do to the goose, do it to the gander. Okay, so I hope you know that your goose, whatever you do to the goose, go do it to the gander. Whatever. If you don't know it, that's fine. But you see, so basically that is it. Okay, so this can easily cancel it. Remember, it's division. That's why I'm multiplying by 3. Now, what is left? If I cancel this, I'm left with 7x at the top. Okay, this is cancelled, which is equal to 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, so write 21 here nicely. So that's the first step. The second step, I want to remove this 7 to make x be on its own. This is multiplication. By now you should know what we do. Okay, if we have only 7 here, this is multiplication. Therefore, we divide. See, you guys are getting it, right? Divide. Okay, nicely. Okay, so now this can cancel this, so we have x on its own now. Now I have $21, okay, and I'm supposed to share it among 7 of my siblings. Okay, if 7 of your friends went out to get something to eat and the cost is 21, and you have to share the bill, how much will it be? Means each of you will pay $3 each. Okay, that's how you have to think about it. If we go to Starbucks and we bought food for $21, each of us buy the same thing, $21. Each of us has to give $3 each. Okay, so that is why 21 divided by 7 is 3. But you know, you have a calculator, just punch this in, punch the bad boy in, and that is it. You get the 3, and we are good. Okay, so that is fraction. Okay, now should we do something else? Let's make it a little bit complicated. Okay, let's make it a little bit complicated. How complicated can we make it? This is the last thing we are actually doing. What if we say 7x divided by 3 minus 3 is equal to 6? Oh, now we have a problem. Big problem. Don't we? Okay, let me make this 9 because I don't think we are using 7 too much. Alright, so the first thing I have to do, okay, first thing I have to do is deal with the bad boy over here. Now this is minus 3. Don't do anything over here. Deal with this first, okay? So I just write 9. So my first thing is add 3 to this side, okay? And then I add 3 to this side. So I'm left with only this part, okay? So I have 9x over 3 here, which is equal to, because minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 6 plus 9, 6 plus 3 is also 9. Okay? Now we're good. See how beautiful it is? We're good. Now from what we already learned, multiply this by 3, multiply that by 3. Okay, this will cancel this. So I'm left with 9x is equal to 9 times 3. What's 9 times 3? By now you should know your timetables. Okay, 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, perfect. Now, what do we do to get x? For us to get x, okay, let me, here, now we can see. Just divide by 9, divide by 9. Okay, so 9 divided by this. Now, 27 divided by 9 is also equal to 3. Use your calculator. Okay, $27, 9 people are sharing it. That's 3. Okay, now, okay, we are done for today's video. Okay, the next time we'll still continue with the basic stuff. Okay, try and look for them and work on it on your own. Peace out again. Respect.